Haidingke friends song sini part 1 nailemin yagolo sini current affairs of India no to ini sini GRS exam ni bagai sini nailai part 2 sini part 1 sing 15 number dor nailai sini 16 number simi sing nai haidingke sini 16 number abongka friends song which section was imposed just abrogation 8 of article 370 in Jammu Kashmir. Busuk section Jammu Kashmir je 370 abo ni singo angkai 144 section 144 mane ajago je 370 no je ko abrogation khaimani pore 144 nong dara ajago impose khaijaka misau. Friends song the next in 17 number after abrogation of article 370 Jammu and Kashmir state is divided into how many union territory je abrogation khaimani yagulo koita union territory khairika ajagani singo inge duita tamitamo Jammu and takisitamo Ladakh. Friends song Ladakh khlai abungka union territory ba kendra shasito state khlai ka kendra shasito state ba kendra shasito onchol khlai rekha. Sine next name the two union territory in which Jammu and Kashmir is divided igo sakajago. Jammu and Kashmir je sebai union territory khairmani tam khlai ka duita khlairmani hinsa duita khlairmani tam khlai ka. Right answer angka A Jammu and Ladakh. Friends okay sini next tongo 19 number tam sakna de in which year article 35A incorporate into the constitution bo year article 35A no incorporate khajaka ansengo 1954. Right answer A. Sini next tongo sini next 20 number friends song naje friends song ang khato was de sijak obron ang scan nimadome video mas samnan baidong ka tangai somikre ni bagai sini thane sini porikha bogane phaikia ba exam gane phaikia nga friends song ang nong sini joto video je target 349 samone obo complete mon ya gola ang nong no somoni bisingono ang nong no PDF full carry renai nga friends song sing tabuk asasta video na lagi nai nga type ro khajan somikrin bagai singo khatabni non scan copy non singma na lagi nai friends song nga nai tongde sini 20 number who is the present home minister of India. Romde India ne tabung ne home minister sabo nga option dajao Rajnath Singh da Narendra Modi na Smriti Irani na Amit Shah. Okay, right answer Amit Shah, the option D. Okay, sini next question 21 number before 5 August 2019 how many state and union territory in India wa sini 5 August ni sekang koita state tong tai union territory tong ba kendra shasit onchol tong misau ngangkai 5 August ni sekang mas 5 August ni tam friend tong seng 5 August ni sini Jammu Kashmir no state ni noroi ngai seng union territory khlair mani duita khlairo Jammu bai Ladakh kaise state tong mano nitam ka union territory duita barikha state kaise komi thanga nitam na age sini 29 ta state tong mani arpore sini 7 ta union territory tong mani ge before obone sikang ge to sini right answer obone nai a number 29 state and 7 union territory. This is next question. Friends, after the 5 August, how many state and union territory in India? 5 August ni pore ke sin tam thang nai de 28 state ka right answer and union 9 union territory ni thang ka amka a number ka right answer. তারপরে sini 23 number, which article gives autonomous status to the Jammu and Kashmir? Agi Jammu and Kashmir no autonomous ni je status je ritong nai article ng katamo article 370. Okay, sini next na different song. Sini next song 24 number, along with article 370 by 370, which article also give special status to Jammu and Kashmir? Jammu and Kashmir no je article 370 ni dara je special package ba special status rumani abo bo article gaga ora dong option ko mono sini right answer B number, article 35A. Okay, sini next dong 25 number friend song, which country will approach the International Court of Justice ICJ over the Kashmir issue? Bo country Kashmir ni issue no tuinai International Court of Justice nai by bisar khlaika sabo ajaro Pakistan friends, China, Myanmar ar Sri Lanka. Pakistan ka right answer. Borok je Jammu Kashmir ni issue no tuinai borok China no সানিকা আমেরিকান সানিকা অনেক কোন সানিকা বরক ইংগে বরক হাইংগনে বড় ইন্টারন্যাশনাল কোর্ট বরক জাস্টিস সানিকা গর আইসিজি যে মানে বিন ফর্ম কা ইন্টারন্যাশনাল কোর্ট অফ জাস্টিস ইংগে সিনি নেক্সট 26 নাম্বার ফ্রেন্ডস অন আদে, হুইচ কোর্ট হ্যাজ এগ্রিড টু হিয়ার ফেসবুক প্লি for transfer of other social India link social or media social media linking cases? Tam hagana je bokut na sairika tamnai agree khairika sine social media Facebook social media no other linking khainani okok case no saka ga right answer ga Supreme Court friends, Supreme Court. Nadi sini next tongo 27 number, what will be the retirement age of the Central Armed Police Force personnel as per the order issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs. Okay friends, or jaga saka Indian ni je army rong ni boyos bari busu khlai rika ni sawa jago 60 khlai rika 60 bosor jora bor khlai mane agi busu tongmani friends agi 57 jora tongmani sabo abo kono khlai rika sini Home Minister sabo Amit Shah. Okay, next tongo 28 number friends, who has won the 2019 South Asian Spelling Bee contest recently je sine 2019 South Asian Spelling Bee contest sabo applying khani sao nge ran jarat bumung jatongo Navneet Murali right answer. Our question next friends, 29 number, which nation accused India of waging fifth generation warfare by using water as a weapon? Sabo Pakistan friends, Bufuro August 2019 ade sini next 30 number, Aurangzeb Razak announced the promotion of its chief financial officer Madhur Doura as the company's president announce khalarika tamo promotion khalarika chief financial officer Modur Deorano sabo Paytm buska right answer ka Paytm a number option sine 31 whose 75 birth anniversary was observed on August 20 August 2019 sabne Rajiv Gandhi next my different song the direct tax code DTC tax force has recommended a major cut in corporate tax for both domestic and foreign companies. What is the newly recommended corporate tax? Corporate tax direct tax no the corporate tax obno yeko bari remani pore busuk tamo tabungni percentage busuk total percentage busuk nghanso corporate tax foreign company rong okay foreign mane bidesh company 25%. See next tongo friends song 33 number sin friends song video logi tongo logrok nai tong hepono sung ramuni koekta tongkho tai koekta which country will be bestowing its highest civilian award Order of Zaid upon in Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi no Order of Zaid uko award rikha sabo we WYUAE we or korok desh rok country rok rikha bono Pradhan Mantri no jiske bono common tongo friends song koyek dino no former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh has recently been elected as a member of Rajya Sabha from which state? Bo state ni sini Prime Minister kesa Manmohan Singh Rajya Sabha elected inka ne sao okay Rajasthan friends song right answer Rajasthan 35 number friends song nade World Youth Chess Championship is to be held in October gufuro bojaga Mumbai sabo paikya abu next na line friends song World Youth Chess Championship nade bojaga khang Mumbai sinaje 36 Minister Narendra Modi recently launched Rupee card in bojaga or friends ang option liya lion business nai Bhutan no Rupee debit card launch khalarika sabo Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi 37 number the National Tribal Festival Adi Mahotsav has started in which region Ladakh friends tribal festival Adi Mahotsav solika bojaga Ladakh friends next nade sin 38 number which state government has rolled out the Grama and Ward volunteer system bo state government rule out the Grama and Ward volunteer system okay Andhra Pradesh right answer Andhra Pradesh friends after friends 39 number India first national essential diagnostic list NEDL National Essential Diagnostic List of full form has finalized by which organization? Bo organization ke ICMR bin full form ke Indian Council of Medical Research Sin next tongo friends Supra. Supra scheme, which is in news recently, is associated to which field? Bob no to yunai or Supra scheme. Gangan aje science and technology. Science and technology, right answer. Sin 1 right number. Recently, government issue guidelines on operationalizing how much amount of partial guarantee scheme for NBFC with our rate 1 trillion. Next question. 42 number. 42 number. What is the new name of Lucknow iconic Hazratganj Churaha abang tam khairika bung sense khairika Otol Sok honnai friends song. Ombo motamuti important tongo friends song. Sini next Nagas of Nagaland and their land and resources are protected under of the Indian Constitution. Article je sini Nagaland ne je Nagarong ne je area no protected khanyan bagai je Indian je Constitution busuk no lagu khaja ke article 371 A but 371 A. Sin 44 number friends on idea. What is the name of new governor of Tripura state? Sini Romet Bais. Abun sekang jawar ni thana ingat kita Captain Sulanki friends on. This is next 45 number sakatamo. When did Ramesh Bais, the new governor of Tripura state, join? Sini Ramesh Bais bofuro join khaibika tiro angka 28 July 2019 friends on. Takisha sini 46 number. Who funded the construction of Rukia power plant in Tripura state? Rukia power plant or Sabo Fan Khaiga Asian Development Bank ADB in full form Asian Development Bank Fan Khaiga. And so next idea Omur Mutamudi Komutongo. How many funded by Asian Development Bank of the Rukia power plant project in the state of Tripura? The Rukia power plant project go Asian Development Bank song fan kalemani busuk fan rekangke 1540 crore ba kuti. Sini next tongo 48 number friends song ade. When and how many megawatt MW money megawatt of electricity was sold to Nepal in the state of Tripura. Tripura song bufurutai busak megawatt Nepal no current fall karnai song. Okay, April 2019 ni simi और कोनो date जक reference song busak 40 megawatt supply khaitong. Sini next question 49 number. Who won the Asian School Chess Championship? Asian School Championships sab paikya inke Arsia Das boni boys busak 8 bosor bini bojagani bo Tripurani friendsong am nade am final jeske bono Rukia project ar Rajapal tai o je RCA ni jesikubani important tong tilfrani sini muti kom no friends abon bagai fainani chance tong jesikubani nge friends sing obongkha muti koyekta na lekha friends oboni aglo sing nongna ang pura complete ngon pore sini unpondo jora sing PDF khlai nongna ang friends din bagai asna hai tesa hambal jokno